गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे द अर्थ। अर्थ इज ए प्लैनेट एंड अर्थ मूव करता है। देख रहे हैं, ऐसे भी इस तरह से ऐसे मूव करता है अर्थ। ग्लोब इज a small form of earth। तो अर्थ मूव अराउंड सन। सन के सूरज के चारों ओर अर्थ मूव करता है, घूमते रहता है। और अर्थ प्लैनेट्स है, बट अर्थ से हम मून को देखते हैं, चंद्रमा को देखते हैं। तो मून, व्हाट इज मून? मून क्या है? मून इज व्हाट? मून क्या है? मून को क्या हम कहते हैं? व्हाट इज मून? तो वो भी एक स्काई का कोई न कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है, यूनिवर्स का कोई न कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है। तो मून क्या है? प्लैनेट क्या है? व्हाट? इट इज सैटेलाइट। मून इज सैटेलाइट। अंडरस्टैंड? So look here.
Planet Earth. The Earth is different from other planets. We know that the Earth is the third planet in the solar system, and that it receives sufficient amount of sunlight for life to exist. The Earth is enveloped by a blanket of air known as the atmosphere. The atmosphere contains life-supporting gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. The major part of the Earth's surface is covered with water. The presence of sunlight, air and water helps us to survive on Earth. Shape of the Earth. In the ancient days, it was believed that the Earth was flat. It was around the 15th century that Christopher Columbus and Ferdinand Magellan undertook many voyages to prove that the Earth was round. People came to know that the Earth was not flat, but spherical. When we observe a ship sailing out to the horizon from the beach, we see the hull disappears first, followed by the mast. This proves that the ship is going round rather than falling off a cliff. Now we know that the Earth is spherical in shape, but flat at the poles and bulging at the center. Horizon. It is an imaginary line when a sky appears to meet the land or sea. This is possible only if the shape of the earth is spherical or round. Globe. Globe is a model that represents the earth and is spherical in shape. The word globe is derived from the Latin word globus, which means a round mass or a sphere. A globe facilitates the study of the earth. It also helps to locate places on the earth. North Pole. It is the northernmost point of the earth. South Pole. It is the southernmost point of the earth. Axis. The earth's axis is an imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth, joining the north and south poles. In the picture, the earth's axis is represented by a dotted line. The earth moves around the axis, which makes it possible for all parts of the earth to receive sunlight. This movement is known as rotation. The arrows represent the direction of the rotation of the earth around the axis. Equator. The equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth horizontally in two equal parts. It is halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole. The two equal parts are called the hemispheres. Hemi means half, sphere means round. The upper half is referred to as the North Hemisphere, and the lower half is referred to as the South Hemisphere. Continents and oceans. The surface of the earth has vast, continuous land masses called continents. The large, deep, continuous water bodies on the earth are called oceans. They cover 75% of the earth's surface. The water of oceans is saline. Continents of the world. There are 7 continents on earth. They are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Asia. Asia is the largest continent on earth. It occupies 1/3 of the total land mass. Africa. It is the second largest continent. It was called the Dark Continent for a long time, as not much was known about it. Europe. It is the second smallest continent and lies northwest to Asia. North America. It is the 3rd largest continent. It is twice the size of Europe. South America. It is the 4th largest continent. It is connected to North America by a narrow strip of land called Isthmus of Panama. Antarctica. Antarctica is a cold, remote continent in the southern hemisphere. It is nearly twice the size of Australia. Australia. It is the smallest continent in terms of land area. It is also called the island continent. A continent consists of many countries. For example, India is a part of Asia. Other countries like Pakistan, China, Myanmar, that is Burma, and Nepal are also a part of the same continent.